Thutha wa icera riake thukuru-ini wa anake wa Thika kuria aceririo nyumba-ini cia gukomana gwa gwithambira, munini wa komishona wa kaunti ya Thika Tom Njere ni arutite mukana kuri mathukuru maria matari na indo kana mitaratara ya kwigitira kungiumira thina o wothe hindi ya mathomo mao.
We have had to engage on a number of security cautionary measures that we would like various principals and head teachers to undertake in order to ensure that our children also remain safe.
Ali icera-ini riri thutha wa kurikia mucemanio na arugamiriri anene ya mathukuru, Njere ni ataririe ati niguo kunyihia mitino eno ministry ya githomo ni mambiriirie hamwe na unyitaniri wa ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini niguo kuhinga mathukuru mothe matekurumirira watho uyu, amu mathukuru ta maya magukorwo maigiire arutwo ugwati utoikaine.
We have engaged the various stakeholders, mainly the principals, and we have agreed that the Ministry of Education circular, the safety measures circular, be implemented to the latter. And it's also a resolution of the security team that we are going to conduct impromptu visits to various institutions just to confirm that what has been agreed upon is implemented, and also to confirm that the ministry's security safety measures directives are also adhered to.
Oho ni ereire anyitaniri ao othe ugitiri mama hindi no kigeranio gikuhiriria kiuga ati maita maingi mahinda maya makoragwo maihuritwo ni guoya na kimako kuri arutwo uguo makeingiriria kuri ciiko citari njega. Ningi ni ongereire kuuga ati ni megutigirira matuko ma kigeranio ni marumirirwo kuma muthi wa mbere nginyagia muico na gutari na wici o wothe.
We are trying to look at our level of preparedness as far as the forthcoming exam is concerned. We're also trying to do an audit of the security situations in this learning institution. What we are basically doing is to be proactive so that we don't have situations whereby we are going to be firefighting whenever incidents occur.
Njere aheanite mwerekera uyu o wiki igiri tu thutha wa mathukuru maingi kwambika miaki kuria kundu ta thukuru wa Moi Girls urateire mioyo ya iritu kenda. Kiribotera Gikuyu Hwainĩ, njĩtagwo Zipporah Kariuki.